Hey beauties, it's Daisy here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have this gorgeous curly lace front wig from Westkiss Hair, and if you're interested in seeing how I styled it and more about this hair, then make sure you stay tuned. So here's the hair, completely dry. I let it sit on this mannequin and it looks really good. It's pre-plucked. I plucked a little bit too much in the front, so I'm gonna cut that off. But I just want you guys to get an idea of how good this hair looks. It's amazing. So we are just gonna install this. Here, I cut off the excess lace. Like I said, I overplucked it. I got too happy in the beginning. Really, I overplucked it, but when you start combing out the front part of the frontal, sometimes the hair comes out still. So that didn't work out for me since it was so thin in the front. But what we're gonna do is install this wig. So I got everything good to go. No excess lace, no little gaps. And I just used Gots to Be Glued in the yellow bottle to install this wig. And I'm just using the back part of the, what is this called? Rat tail comb. And just press that lace into my skin so it helps to melt it. And I'm gonna take my blow dryer on the cool settings for about 30 seconds so we can make sure that this lace melts. Last but not least, I'm gonna make sure that the sides are definitely not neglected. I usually do my wig installs in 3 parts. We do the front and then the 2 sides. So I'm just showing you I'm using Gots to Be Glued spray for this part, and I'm going back in with that blow dryer for a good 30 seconds, and I just do the other side as well. Now, if you want your wig completely flat, I would highly suggest you take a scarf and just let it lay while you're doing your makeup. You always want to do your wig install first and then your makeup so your hairline doesn't look cakey. And I let that sit for, I would say, like a good 15 minutes. I didn't finish my makeup this time around. I just did my eyeshadow, and then I decided to go in and pluck and make my own baby hairs again since I cut off that excess lace in the front like I was telling you guys. So just take a thin layer and we are gonna slay these baby hairs. So. So I just finished my makeup. Now we're gonna see how this frontal is looking now that it's been laying here for, I would say, a good 20 minutes. Bam. Looks pretty good. So the only thing about this wig is The lace is really transparent, like too transparent for me. So I just gotta put some makeup in there. Yep. That's gonna take away the little white cast and all of that. This looks so good. I pluck this wig to the quartz. See? I love when wigs turn out like super good. It just makes me happy. So my favorite part about this hair, like I said, it's air dry and it's just super full. You guys have been asking for a really full kind of curly wig, and I think I brought it to you. So what I like to do is just finesse and play with it until I get it to lay exactly how I want it. I think it will look really cute, like half up, half down. Let's see. So here I have a human hair curly lace front wig from WestkissCurlyWave Hair. I worked with them before and they always have great hair. I love their hair. One thing about this company is the hair always comes super full. I believe this is only like 150% density and it's this full, which makes me so happy because usually when I get curly wigs, they're a little more on the flat side, and this hair is completely dry except like maybe like 10% because I put some water in the front just to make sure it laid properly, but it's like amazing. Like this quality is A1. This is my favorite curly wig, hands down. Okay, so I believe it's 24 inches. Here is the length. It comes down to almost my waist and it's just super curly. The curls are so tight. Here's a close-up of the curls, and this lace is amazing. It's transparent, so it matches your skin tone. All I did was I did pluck it. As you can see, I am slaying it, and then I put some foundation color around the lace where you can see in between the little gaps, and then that gives a more natural look. So the best part about this wig and what makes it the best is it looks really natural. It looks like, you know, I just have naturally curly hair, because if you have naturally curly hair, usually it's more on the fuller side, and it just looks so good. Like I've been wearing this for like a week straight so far, and I've been meaning to do a review. Like I did one before, but since I wear it every day when I'm going to work, I just brush kinda. I've been slacking since I've been pregnant. I just don't have the energy like I used to, but I made it happen for you guys today. Now the only thing is it does shed a little bit. As you can see, this is how much hair came out, but it's really full, so it is gonna shed, and it's curly. It does not tangle, so that's really good. I usually just, you know, wash the hair and let it dry and sit on my mannequin, and then I just pop it on, just, you know, slay the front. And then once you do a good like plucking, styling, once you wore it a couple of times, then once you put it on and style it again, it's super easy. So it takes no time. As far as tangling, it doesn't tangle, which is great, and shipping does not take long at all. I think it took me like 4 business days to get this hair. And like I said, this is amazing hair. It's my favorite. I know I always say, oh, this hair looks good, because usually the hair I get is bomb, but this is my favorite, hands down. I love the curly wigs. You guys have been asking for volume, and I gave you volume. So they gave me volume, shoot. Because sometimes when you get curly wigs, you think they're gonna be really full, but they're not. And the density isn't super high. Like I said, I think it's 150% density, but I'm gonna give the exact amount in the description box. Now, as far as the parting space, I believe it's 13 by 4. I didn't want a straight part because I always do that, but the parting space stops to like right here, and it comes all the way around. So you can part it wherever you want. If you want like little side part, middle part, any of that, you can do that. And then you can also do half up, half down. That looks really cute. I just did a hairstyle like that, so that's why I didn't do it on this wig, but I wore it half up and half down not too long ago, and it looks really cute. So try that if you get this wig. So I want to thank WestkissCurlyWave for sending me this hair. They, like I said, they have amazing quality hair. There's nothing I can complain about them except just a little bit of shedding. And if you guys really enjoyed this video, please show your support. Give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below if you're not already subscribed, and join the fam. Thank you so much for watching, and have an amazing one. Bye.